To have the maximal effect on their target synapses without affecting nearby neurons, neuromodulators are typically released by very specialized populations of neurons in a very targeted way. As a result, depending on where the modulatory synapse occurs structurally, these modulators either change the efficacy or strength of synaptic transmission by modulating presynaptic transmitter release, or by changing the properties of the postsynaptic neurons, for example by modulating the activity of ion channels and other signaling proteins, metabolic pathways, and even gene expression signatures. Noradrenaline, for example, is released by very specialized cells in the locus coeruleus and the lateral segmental field, but acts on adrenergic receptors in many parts of the brain and peripheral nervous system. Its effects include modulating general arousal, modulating the fight or flight response, and the activation of the reward system. If you've ever been startled by a sudden movement or thought you saw something dangerous lurking in the darkness, you've experienced the noradrenaline system firsthand. Curiously, the noradrenaline system consists of just about 1,500 noradrenaline-secreting neurons in each brain hemisphere. To put that in perspective, of the roughly 100 billion or so neurons in our brain in total, this is a very tiny fraction overall, about a millionth of 1%. However, despite the small number of neurons involved, the noradrenaline system can exert a surprisingly strong impact on behavior, marshaling a readiness to act in nearly every corner of the body.